Hi everyone, this is Juana Lefter with an NC Services Daily Video. A strong majority of marketers believe they have a lead generation strategy that is successful in achieving conversions. This finding comes from a new report from Ascend2, which notes that 9 in 10 marketers surveyed say their lead generation strategy is either somewhat or very successful. Part of the success of lead generation strategy lies in utilizing effective tactics. And on this front, more than half of the marketers surveyed believe that social media is one of the most effective digital tactics in generating leads that convert. Furthermore, the reliance on social media has increased under the current circumstances, which results from the CMO survey indicating that US companies are upping their spending on social media during COVID-19. When it comes to tactics, close to 2 in 5 respondents, so 37%, feel that content marketing is one of the most effective tactics for their generating leads that convert. Although this form of marketing is considered less effective than other tactics, such as social media, website, SEO, and email automation, effective content is fundamental to all of them. And when asked to share which types of content they found most effective in generating leads that convert, 2/5 of marketers cited video, the leading response. Some 36% say they find webinars effective in generating leads, while 3 in 10 named virtual events, webinars as one of the most effective tactics for lead generation. This form of content is likely to become more popular since live events, which have been an effective form of lead generation in the past, continue to be canceled due to the pandemic. Marketers also cite original research data and blog posts as effective content when it comes to building relationships and converting leads, with fewer pointing to templates, tools, case studies, ebooks, and podcasts. If you would like to learn some other effective tactics about prospecting and generating leads fast for your business, click on the link below this video and check out our B2B Prospecting Academy, which starts on September 15th. This is brought to you by my colleague Loredana Nicolae, and it is an intensive 2-month online course for sales professionals and business owners. Click on the link and you may be entitled to an interesting discount. See you!